get sit down there.
Just not me, Mark. See that one?
Oh, look at that big
Get a big flat one
big
there.
in there.
I'll do the job.
Here, show you them, we'll put that in the bottom there.
Well, as you can hear, it's raining. This is the heaviest it's been all day, but at least my tent's getting a test. So, good spirits. May as well do a little video while we're in here. And just had all the firewood cut there, then it come on. So, back in the tents. I've got my MSR wind burner stove. Gas. No campfire cooking in this one, but I do have some army ration packs that are overdue to be used. And beef goulash, plain rice, carrot and coriander soup, and if you watched enough of my videos over the past year, this one has went with me everywhere. I must eat it. Chicken Penang. So that with the rice sounds nice. Bit of beef goulash maybe tomorrow. And the soup to warm me up as well. So that's the main meal. Got a couple of Alpen bars. And Brian got me a nice pack of hula hoops. Thinking of Eddie, Scott's Oil Camper. And just a nice campfire, a couple of cans of ale. It's the only ones I had at the shop at Dalmellington. Cutleries there. So yeah, I forced myself just to take this food because that's what I need to eat. So anything else will be a bonus, but that's my main meals for tonight. But I'll get coffees and sugar and that obviously as well. I'm just waiting this rain getting off. Hopefully get out and round the campfire. As you can see, I can sit up in my new tent. You hear a lot about this new tent recently, but the guys seem to really like it as well. Just for the size, colour. Yeah, it's good. It's going to be chilly tonight though. Definitely cold. We're about 1,000 feet above sea level here. And it is pretty cold. So, got my woolly hat getting back on, keep the heat in. Don't want to eat. Not too hungry. There's that thing you have to do something while you're in your tent. Maybe read. See what I can get on my phone.
I think the rain's dying down a wee bit.
Took the words out my mouth. Alpen bar. Cereal bar with fruit and nut with milk chocolate. Supposed to be very soft. Had lots of them. But watch this. That's how cold it is. I've only been here 2 hours.
These logs are alright, aren't they?
I shouldn't have put that plastic on.
Oh yeah, it'll burn off though. It'll burn off. Eddie, Julie and Sinclair, hope you're having a nice time because we are. Hey!
Hi, so guys, it's random last minute, thanks for the invitation guys.
Definitely.
First time with Glenn, hopefully first of many, and a good reunion with Derek here down some Ranger. Last we done anything, you'll see in the videos of the West Highland Way 2015. So it's going to be a good night. Stars are out, campfire and a couple couple of halves. So to the usual suspects, Eddie, Scots Wild Camper, Stuart McPhail, Scottish Wanderer, Mark McFarlane out in the wild, and to everybody that's been leaving good supportive comments the last couple of months during the hard work, I just want to say thanks to you all for inspiration, support. May it continue. So this is for you. Cheers.
Cheers everyone. Aye, Scottish Wanderer, keep that dancing going, because you've got some competition here.
Aye, watch this space.
I know. Aye, this is, I should have charged it. It's aye, look at that. You know that Star Wars thing? That's what, hey, that,
Get the sound effects.
I see all my mates at home, none of them are into this side, they don't like it or nothing.
Same with mine.
I don't know how they can't like it, it just baffles me how they couldn't like it. Why would you not like something like this? No, been out in the wild.
Get some, it was raining there, and then all of a sudden you're in your tent, wee bit stoked, you bang your street out, and you're nice and cosy.
Aye.
It's 3 degrees, and we're roasting. It's absolutely brilliant.
Good Mark goes here on the way.
He's at the top photographs in the sky, I think.
Well, so it's like the stars are out.
Oh, it's nice. The stars are out. I mean, half an hour ago it was raining, heavy rain, and look at it now. It's glorious, the stars are out, and we are absolutely loving it. We're roasting with a nice fire, got some Baileys, got some beer. Brilliant.
It was, folks, but I'm starting to get a little sore head, lightheadedness. I didn't eat a lot yesterday, surprisingly, so I need to eat something. I've got the carrot and coriander soup in there, got the beef goulash, which I don't know what it is, and of course the famous chicken payang, but I ain't getting teeth at all. I think I'm going to keep this payang a lot longer. No point in eating a curry at 9:15. So I'll see what the goulash is, if not it'll just be the soup. Beef, tomatoes, onions, green peppers, red peppers, gluten-free liver, tomato puree. I think the goulash is a winner. Maybe wash it down with the soup, see how I feel afterwards. Sus. Eating it in the mess tin once it's done. Softer, that's warm. Smells good. Breakfast is served. Sundays are designed for this. They were made for it. You see the steam coming off it, folks? Obviously with the cold air and the heat of the food. It's warm, but it ain't roasted. Could have done with maybe a couple of extra minutes on the heat, but it's warm to eat, which is fine. Just gonna down me fast, I'm starving. Chicken Penang will have to wait another day.